All right, today I'm going to go over how to swap the wiper blades on this Subaru Outback. So first thing is your driver's side is bigger, that's a 26-inch blade, and then your passenger side is a 18-inch blade. And then you have your rear wiper blade, which is a 16-inch blade. So with these guys, I like to put a towel underneath just in case as you're working on them. You can flip them all the way up, but it kind of makes it a little harder to reach, especially if you're shorter. So I'll just do it right here. And then if this falls, that metal arm will get caught by our towel there. So I put a towel underneath. You push this button in, and if you need to use a tool, you can use something like this. It won't scratch the metal or anything. This is just an interior trim tool. Or gently use something like a screwdriver, but you may run the risk of scratching it if you use a screwdriver. So this guy pops out like so. Now, whenever you get aftermarket windshield wiper blades, sometimes this piece is replaceable for multiple models. So one wiper blade can fit like a bunch of different cars, but you have to make sure this piece is on. So double check that with if you buy aftermarket blades. Once you get the proper attachment on there, then this guy slides in like so, and you'll hear that button kind of clip into place. One thing to note when you're doing this, it doesn't just slide on. I thought it did, but it doesn't. You kind of have to like put it close to where this little notch slides in, because there's a little stopper. So get it lined up with this first, and that's got to go in vertical, boom, like this, and then clip in. Once that little button snaps into place, you are in. You also have a little guide down here, and that has to kind of guide into place. So that is how you do the wiper blades. Another good thing to do is clean your windshield wiper. Either before, run a few cycles of your washer fluid over it, but it is good to go over it with a squeegee. You don't want that new wiper blade to pick up dirt and wear out a lot quicker. It's the same procedure on the driver's side as the passenger side. That just depresses, comes out. Make sure you have the proper fitting on if you get aftermarket blades, and then this goes right in there. Not only does the tab need to pop into place, but there's little guides top and bottom here that go into place as well. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and there'll be a link in the description for replacement blades individually or the whole set for the entire car, front and back. We'll see you next time.